This is Runaway Mine Train. Woo! 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 Oh, here we go. Here's the climb. Here's the climb. Having fun there?
Yeah, so much fun.
Ah! Sun's so bright. Raw! Raw, get out of my face. Raw. Alright, here we go. Some inside car. Woo! Oh, alright. This is the jerky one. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Why did we go on this one? Oh. I am going to have a bruised rib. Oh, God. Remain seated. Keep hands, arms, and legs inside car. Whistle. Alright. This is. Hey, it just said keep your arms inside the car. That arm could have been taken off. It could be disarmed. I'm gonna get a concussion. Oh, hey, there's Shockwave. We need to ride on Shockwave. It's right here. There's go-karts. Cost $30 a person. Superman Tower Power. Six Flags over there. Okay. Amazing. Keep hands. Same thing. This part of the ride is smooth. Oh no. Oh gosh.
Oh my God.
Hey, here we go. You guys having fun?
Dude.
Woo!
Up here.
There is.
Just wait. Let's see.
There we go. It's really dark. Oh, there she is. Whoa, there she is. Bye. Oh God! All right. Did you guys like it? Woo! 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 All right. Bye for now. Have a good life. Please watch my videos and subscribe. See ya.